Hello, my name is Yvonne. I'm 81 years old. Today I'm making seafood legume. I have a conch crab, those vegetables I have them pre-washed and cut already. Some oil and some green onions. If you want to see how I do my season, you can just go back zooming at this video. Vegetables already cooked. Rice, some olive oil, a little bit of garlic. Okay. Lily and the bean. Okay. I chop it watercress. I have 2 packs of them and then chop it just like that. You see, like this. You saute it separate anyway. Nice and pink. Some crab. I'm putting some nice conch. That's a conch. Enjoy it. This week I make this legume seafood only because this season is the Lent season, Semaine Sainte. So we don't eat no meat. We eat only seafood. Légumes, sauce blanc, sauce pois noir, banane. Bon appétit!